welcome to my channel. Eid Mubarak. I hope you all are doing great. So today is Eid day 1 and I look like this because it's morning and we've already done with breakfast and things like that, and right now I'm going to start my Eid related tasks, that is to make sevaiya and cook food and all the things that we do on Eid, get ready, do some makeup and stuff. I'm going to take you guys along with me. It's going to be entertaining kind of a video. I wish so. So stick around, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe down below. If you like the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That being said, मैंने चरगा रात में marinate कर दिया था, so it's chilling in the fridge. So we need to cook that, but not now. That's gonna happen later at lunchtime. It's maybe like 11 right now. Yes, it's 11 right now. So right now we are going to make some sevaiya and then I'm going to apply my mehndi and then we are going to get ready. So hopefully that's going to happen in that order. So I'm going to take you guys along so you can see how it will work. And we might go out for ice cream or something because we are stuck in home in lockdown for the longest. So I'm going to take you guys along with me if you're going to go out also. So it's going to be fun. The struggles of getting your mehndi running is like seriously a lot. Like, I don't know why these mehendis are just so stubborn and okay. तो here is the चरगा जो हमने रात में मैरिनेट करके रख दिया था, और अब जो है वो हम इसको बेक करेंगे, ग्रिल करेंगे, whatever you call it. So let's just do it now. ये जाएगा बेक होने के लिए, and that's it. So this is what my Eid dress looks like. It's blue and red. It's a kurti that I bought separately, and then this red dupatta and then this red trouser. And I'm glad that I found this chunwara dupatta because I really wanted one. I haven't wore one in like ages. So this is a fairly long kurti. For all of you who always ask me how I do my makeup and I should do a makeup tutorial, these are all the makeup products and these are all the brushes that I'm going to use, and we are going to start off with the makeup right now. So as you can see, I have got nothing on my skin. You can see how bad my skin looks. It's actually because I have started using a retinoid finally. It is a form of vitamin A, Cetaphilin 0.1%. It's a very strong medication for your skin, but it's the only thing that actually works on my skin right now. So I'm on that. I'm not using anything else. So for any of you who are following me for the skincare journey, because I did talk to you guys about how I have started using skincare products and things like that, and how my skin broke with Mask Me. So if you're following me on that journey, then this is an update for you, that I am not using any product, anything whatsoever. I did started using alpha arbutin for a while and then I stopped using it because I didn't actually liked it on my skin. For some reason it just like it kind of like broke me out a lot, so I stopped everything and I started using that, and it has been just 2 days. So obviously my skin is not going to give results in 2 days, but that's what the situation is. I'm not wearing makeup because of the skin condition that I'm having, but still today is what? Today is Eid, so Eid is Eid and we all need to do something. So now I'm going to use foundation. So for foundation, I always take my foundation on my hands first, and this is, oh my god, this is a lot. So this is the MAC foundation. Is a Morphe brush and I love this brush. Like, I'm a brush girl. I'm just a brushy kind of a girl. So I'm going to do my neck and everything off camera, and then I'm going to come back once everything is blended. So we are done with foundation, and as you can see, the main thing in foundation is how you blend it. So if you use a beauty blender or anything that you use for applying your foundation, just always make sure that you blend it very nicely, because if your foundation is not blended correctly, then your entire makeup look will feel like not really smooth, not really fine, like the way that you want to. So your foundation application is really important. So the next thing that we're gonna go in is a very important for me, and that is a concealer. So these days I'm I'm not having as many dark circles as I used to. So the concealer is going in. So let your concealer sit for like few seconds before you go in and blend it. But I don't have the time, so I'm just going to do it right away. So concealers को blend करने के लिए the best way is obviously using your fingers, but I'm not touching my face a lot, and all these brushes are washed, and you should always wash your brushes and everything. Quite regular. If you're not, you're not doing it the right way. Going to finish up my makeup off camera, and then I will see you again. So this is how the charka turned out. I grilled some onions alongside, or basically इसको जो monitor किया था वो मेरे husband ने किया था, but it looks so good and it will taste good. I know that because I've made this multiple times. So sevaiya is done. So now we are out for ice cream or for juice or something. We are gonna see कि क्या options है और क्या किया जा सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ओमान में currently लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन है, तो 6 बजे 7 बजे के अराउंड सब बंद होने लगता है और डाइन इन अलाउड नहीं है, बच्चे अलाउड नहीं हैं और सारी मार्केट्स बंद भी हो जाती हैं जल्दी. सो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस नहीं हैं, पर वी आर आउट बिकॉज वी नीड टू डू समथिंग बिकॉज वी आर स्टक एट होम इन द सिचुएशन दैट यू ऑल नो. बट वन थिंग आई रियली वांट टू ऐड कि ये वाली ईद से पहले जो भी चीज़ें हुई थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड वाज रियली सैड, एंड ऑल्दो वी सेलिब्रेट ईद, इट्स लाइक अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल you know we all should consider what's happening around the world, and we all should at least play our part in spreading the message, and you know just like remembering what's happening around the world. At least we can do that. So that's also a really important thing that I wanted to add into this Eid video of mine. So for now we are going and you're going to see कि क्या options हैं क्या नहीं है, and then I'm going to check back. So I'm having chocolate chiller shake from Baskin Robbins, and this one is actually chocolate and vanilla shake. So it doesn't taste like a lot of chocolate, like it's sweet. It's basically a flask of sweet, but this doesn't taste so sweet because of, you know, the different flavors. I really like this one. Although, you know, not so good for health, I say this with everything, but again, it's Eid. Sometimes, you know, you have to just go out of your way to do things. So it is the next day. It's Eid day 2 and we are at home. Yesterday we came back and we just spent the rest of the day at home replying to some more messages and making some calls here and there, and that was a good day. And today is going to be relatively simpler because of the lockdown and the situation going on. We are not able to go out and meet people and, you know, have a party and things like that. So yes, it's really important for all of us to, you know, stay safe, stay home at a distance, and you know, everything that I talk about in almost all my videos these days. But that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and all the makeup products and everything that I've used in this video, most of them I have already discussed in a video earlier, so I'm going to link all those videos down below for you if you want to see. With that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.